Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the BSE SENSEX Indian Index for Monday, July the 4th, 2011. Well, a red-bodied candle today and a fairly small red-bodied candle, denoting that the sellers made a small amount of net bearish progress today. Approximately half the size of the amount of bearish progress that they made on the previous day. Now this trend in the first time frame remains up. We can see we had a series of fairly large green-bodied candles that were making higher highs and higher lows and took out the top of the cloud with a bullish breakout above that cloud. The following day after that breakout, we had a fairly large red-bodied candle. That red-bodied candle was, in bar chart terms, an outside day, set up the trend for a potential change to the downside. Today's trading, we have an inside day in bar chart terms, so more indecision in this market. A day of the previous day's trading where we had the buyers quite strong but the sellers strong enough to take out the previous low. Today neither side has shown any strength. The buyers have failed to take out the previous high and the sellers have failed to take out the previous low. Now interestingly, with this change of trend, the market has, or potential change of trend, the market has found support at the top of the cloud of which we broke out of, and has remained trading out there, outside of there for today's trading. The previous day's trading in the market closed back within the cloud, so quite some very strong support around that area. We have a strong area of support just below where the market's trading at this 18,737 region. And we can see that the market tested that area as resistance on a few occasions previously. Yesterday's trading, we found support there, and this obviously is having its effect on today's trading. Now, in Ichimoku charts terms, the market is trading up above the cloud still, so maintains an overall positive bias, but only just. Basically, the market is pretty much neutral. We're trading very close to the cloud, so not a lot of positive bias in this market in big picture terms. The market is, however, trading up above the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which is the pink line and the green line. So the market is bullish in the medium-term time frame and the fast-term time frame. One thing to watch out for is that the Tenkan-sen, the pink line here, has turned flat. And very often price action will be attracted back towards that pink line, which represents equilibrium in the medium-term time frame. So there is a possibility that the market will potentially retrace back within the cloud. Now, within the cloud, we should expect to see the market find support anywhere down to the bottom of the area, which is roughly about 18,420. So a very large zone of support for this market. If we do see the market break out below there, we do have support offered at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, the pink line and the green line, and certainly at the area around 18,160, which is an area of previous solid support for this market. To the upside, if we do see this trend continue, and there is a good likelihood that the trend will continue up, because we have had a market that's shown very strong upside momentum previously, and these two large red candles have failed to change the trend, so there is a good chance that the trend will continue. We do have this strong resistance offered at 18,976, which is a previous major swing low, and the market for the previous 2 days has failed to close above there. So we do need to watch that. If we do have a bullish breakout up above that region, we should see the market trade up to potentially up to 19,341. So we could see the market appreciate fairly rapidly up to there. In between that area, we don't have a lot of strong resistance until we trade up roughly to about 19,800. Some minor levels around 19,700 as well to watch. So a market that's technically bullish in the big picture terms, but really in reality trading so close to the cloud is quite neutral, but remains bullish in the medium term and fast term time frames.